Okay, this is a big empty field, and that's the entrance to the trail I'm about to show you. And that's where you come in. Okay, well, what a bummer. It's fall and the trees' leaves are gone. Usually they're full of green, but it's at the end of the trail. There's this big old grassy area. Then off there in the distance is the train tracks, and train goes by often. And that up there, there's I think 3 of them. Little lookout points. It's just like a place for a picnic up high. Looks kind of nice. Okay, up there was the grassy area, and if you walk down this trail right here, you get to this amphitheater, and there's water down there, and again there's the train tracks. There's a second grassy area, and this one looks like it's still green. I don't know for how long, but looks nice. And then there's restrooms that they open up for whoever uses the park as well. Here's a nice little gazebo. And from here you get a nice view of all the rocks and the train tracks and the water. And there's a bridge. That building over there is currently locked, but it's opened when you rent the park, and it's just basically like a portable, just a big empty room. Nothing special at all inside, just a room. I think a bathroom too. And then over here is kind of a park.